Figures of speech.
Hello friends, let us today we learn about figures of speech. A figures of speech is a devotion from the plain and an ordinary mode of speaking for the sake of more powerful, pleasing and greater effect. We use figures of speech to make the language beautiful and effective. Figures of speech are mostly used in poems. They are based on resemblance, contrast, association and construction. What is a figures of speech? A figures of speech is a figurative language. That is a language which is used to draw picture mentally to convey a message with the idea of much quicker, effective, immediately.
Types of figures of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, apostrophe, oxymoron, onomatopoeia.
I will give you trick to remember the name of 7 figures of speech after the end of the video. Let's get started. The most common figures of speech, simile. Then what is a simile? A simile is a figures of speech that uses comparison between two things, unlike things. It is done using words like, as, so.
Examples of figures of speech: simile. Our soldiers are as brave as a lion. She is like an angel. Love is patient, and so is my mother. Here, comparing to soldier and as a lion, both are known for the bravery. Let's look into the another example. She is like an angel. Here, girl and angel compared with using a like word, and common like between them, beauty. Let's look into another example. Love is patient and so is my mother. Here, love compared with my mother using the word so. Common thing, both are patience.
Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that uses comparison between two unlike things. Here, the comparison is not openly stated but hidden.
A simile and is a metaphor is the same definition, but we do not use that like, as, so. Examples of figures of speech metaphor. We take the same example of metaphor. Our soldiers are as brave as a lion. Here we should remove the as brave as a and return the our soldiers are lion. Our soldiers are compared with lion. Look into the another example. The camel is the ship of the desert. The camel is compared with ship. Made both are equal. A personification is a figures of speech when human qualities are given to objects or ideas. These qualities may be emotions, desires, sensations, gestures, speech. Examples of figures of speech personification. The sun smiled at us. Here we are giving a quality of human with smile with a sun. Look into another example. The hills rejoice and clap their hands. Here we are giving a human quality with clap their hands with the hills. A hyperbole is a figures of speech. A statement is made empathetic by exaggeration or overstatement. It is done for expressing something forcibly and clearly. Examples of figures of speech hyperbole. The river of blood flooded in the battlefield. Here may be too much blood exaggerate flooded in the battlefield. Look into another example. You are brighter than the finest star. Here may be bright too much they compare to the finest star. To another example, her brain is the size of a pea. Here overstated the brain, the small size of a pea. An apostrophe is a figure of speech in which absent or non-existent addressed as it is present and capable of understand. It is also called exclamatory figures of speech. An apostrophe exclamation mark used in it. Examples of figures of speech and apostrophe. Life cannot understand you. Here, life is a living thing. Here we are talking with life. Life is an apostrophe. Look into another example. Why don't you ever work? You stupid computer. Here are talking with the computer, non-living thing. Here is an apostrophe. Look into another example. Blow, wind, blow. Here we are talking with the wind and the blow is a apostrophe. An oxymoron is a figure of speech containing words that seems to contradict each other. When oxymoron useful? Effect to titles, add dramatic effect, add flavor to speech, comedic effect. Is one word say one thing and another word say other thing. Examples of figures of speech and oxymoron. It is an open secret. Open secret is two opposite words. If it is open, it is not a secret. If it is a secret, it is not a open. Look into another example. All the politicians agree to disagree. Here the two opposite words are agree and disagree. Look into another example. Here is a clearly confused in his decision. Here the opposite words are clearly and confused. Onomatopoeia. An onomatopoeia is a figure of speech. It is defined a word which imitates the natural sounds of a thing. It is a word which is sound of that thing. Examples of figures of speech and onomatopoeia. The buzzing bee flew away. What is the sound of a bee? Buzz. 2. Another example. The large dog said bow wow. What is a sound of a dog? Bow wow. Bow wow is a onomatopoeia. Look into another example. The snake slithered and hissed. What is the sound of a snake? Hissed. 7 important figures of speech. Trick to remember the name of 7 figures of speech. Simile, the first letter is S. Hyperbole, the first letter is H. Apostrophe, the first letter is A. Metaphor, the first letter is M. Personification, the first letter is P. Oxymoron, the first letter is O. Onomatopoeia, the first letter is O. The anagram word is shampoo.